Tomorrow I'm flying to Tokyo to a workshop, a photography workshop with Magnum Learn. So I'll be in Japan. It's my first time in Japan and I want to document all the things I do. So in the mornings I will be critiquing, sequencing and editing photographs, my fellow student photographers and mine. The teacher is Moises Saman. He's a wonderful photographer from Magnum, Pulitzer Prize. I took a workshop with him in Seoul in South Korea 1.5 years ago. So I know it's going to be awesome. But because I want to document everything I do, I have a dilemma, so that's why I'm doing this. I'm trying the new DJI Osmo Action 6, and after that, I will be trying the all-time classic DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I will be filming myself and I will try which camera is better for that. I will have a Insta360 Go Ultra in my chest so I can film my perspective, my point of view taking photographs. But at the same time, I want to film myself in the streets of Tokyo taking photos. So I will put the settings of both cameras warranted in the screen so you can see my settings. Again, this is the DJI Osmo Action 6. It's a new camera. It has like an open gate. I'm filming in D-Log, 10 bits, 5600 Kelvin. I guess because in Tokyo it's gonna be dark at 4 p.m. Maybe I'll have to put this camera in night mode. Let's see how it compares with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. In order to see myself in the frame, I have to extend my arm so it's more uncomfortable. For me to be comfortable, I should be this close. And I don't know if that's good or not. I will compare both cameras when I have them in the editing room in DaVinci Resolve. Actually, the settings are the same. It's like D-LogM 10 bits, 5600 Kelvin. The ISO is from 100 to 800, I think. I'll have to check it out. For me, the main thing is that I have to extend my arm so long to put things in the frame that it's a little uncomfortable. But the thing is, I'll have my son with me in Tokyo, so maybe he could film me, he could shoot me while I'm taking pictures. So it won't be a problem. I won't be holding the camera while I'm shooting. Again, I'll put the settings of this camera in the screen. I guess I will make up my mind when I'm in DaVinci with the footage, but I would love to hear your thoughts. I think the city will tell me what camera to use. Which camera is best? Let's go to DaVinci Resolve. Okay, back in the studio, I have checked all the footage and here are my thoughts. I think I will be using the Osmo Action 6. And here's why. Because the field of view is very wide, and if I'm going to be taking pictures in Tokyo, I want to see the streets, I want to see the people, I want to feel the atmosphere with everything in focus. So that's why I think I'm very happy to have bought the Osmo Action 6 because I wasn't so sure. Because I had the Osmo Pocket 3 and I was like, why did I buy this camera now? Am I like a slave of new cameras? I am, but I think it works. It works for this situation. But the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is more beautiful, more cinematic. The depth of field is more beautiful. Although here you have variable aperture, so you can go from 2 to 4. But here's the thing, in the settings, the sharpness -2 and the noise reduction -2 is in both cameras. But in the Action 6, the sharpness is still too high for me. So I prefer the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and here's the thing. I think what I will do is like, if I'm vlogging before taking pictures and after taking pictures and I'm like explaining my thoughts or talking to the camera, I think both cameras are so small, so portable that I could use the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 talking to the camera, like vlogging before I go taking pictures in the streets and after taking pictures, like the thoughts or the reflections about what I did. I think the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 could be like more personal, more cinematic, more close. Even if my kid is filming me from distance, I think the Osmo Action 6 is more suitable for seeing the whole picture. And that's what I'm gonna do. Also, I told you that I'm gonna have in the chest like the Insta360 Go Ultra because I'm gonna shoot with the Leica Q3 and with the Ricoh GR4. So I'm gonna mix those cameras, those styles. So if you want a video of the settings for the Insta360 Go Ultra, just let me know. So I gotta prep my things. I gotta prep the suitcase. Maybe I'll do another video with my backpack. What is my gear for this workshop in Tokyo with Moises Saman? Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. I would like to hear your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you from Japan. Thank you.